Ever heard of Beam Wallet and wondered if you can actually receive money from it? You're not alone. This is a common question, and today, we're diving deep to answer it once and for all. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency known for its innovative Mimblewumble technology. This technology aims to enhance user privacy by obscuring transaction details on the blockchain. Now, you might be thinking, sounds cool, but can I actually get paid with it? Let's find out. Receiving money with Beam. Yes, you can absolutely receive money from Beam wallets. Just like any other cryptocurrency, receiving Beam is relatively straightforward. Here's how it generally works. Share your Beam wallet address. This is a unique string of characters that identifies your specific wallet. You can easily share this address with anyone who wants to send you Beam. Receive the transaction. Once the sender initiates the transaction, it will be broadcast to the Beam network. Confirmations. The transaction needs to be confirmed on the blockchain. This usually takes a few minutes. Funds received. Once confirmed, the Beam will be credited to your wallet. Methods for receiving Beam. Direct transfers, the most common method. Simply share your wallet address with the sender. QR codes. Many Beam wallets allow you to generate a unique QR code. Others can scan this code to easily send you funds. Merchant integrations. Some businesses may accept Beam directly. In such cases, you can simply pay for goods or services using your Beam wallet. Security considerations. Double-check the address. Always double-check the recipient's address before sending any cryptocurrency. Sending funds to the wrong address can result in permanent loss. Beware of scams. Be wary of unsolicited requests for funds or any suspicious activity. Keep your wallet secure. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and keep your wallet software updated to the latest version. Benefits of receiving Beam. Privacy. Beam's focus on privacy can offer increased anonymity compared to some other cryptocurrencies. Fast transactions. Beam transactions are generally fast and efficient. Low fees. Transaction fees on the Beam network are typically low. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.